All right, this is the Dyson Cyclone V10 Animal, and I'm going to show you how to empty the bin, the dust bin that collects all the dust when you're vacuuming. All right, so what I'm going to do with this right here is I'm going to show you how to empty the dust bin of this Dyson V10 Cyclone. All right, so what I'm going to do is first you're going to have to remove the attachment. Okay, so I'm going to remove whatever attachment is on here, and for this one, it's the long tube right here. So I'm going to disconnect it by simply pressing on this button right here, releasing it. And so now all I have is the top part of the vacuum. And if you look below, I have a trash bin that I'm going to empty it in. So this is the vacuum right here. I'm going to bring the trash bin a little bit closer. So this is the bin. This is where the attachment attaches to. And if you can see in here, there is dust that is collected from vacuuming with my Dyson Cyclone V10 Animal. So once I have that, I'm going to get in close. I'm going to get a little bit closer so you can see this. And I'm going to bring my bin right here. And so with this, once I have the bin down there, there is a red latch right here. And I'm going to take this while this is over the bin, okay? And I'm going to press it down. So watch this. So I'm going to be over the trash bin right here. And with the Dyson Cyclone V10 Animal, I'm just going to take my thumb, or you take other fingers if you want to. I'm going to choose to use my thumb, and I'm going to press down. And when I press down, it moves the bin downwards, and it opens the latch right here to where it opens up, and the dust from the bin goes in there like that. And so once I have that in there, I usually just shake it a little bit to get any extra debris out of there. And if there's any hair or anything, I'll somehow pull out the hair that's in there if anything gets stuck in there. Now, generally, I'll take a rag and then wipe all of this down to make sure this is clear. But for video purposes, I'm not going to do that. And so when I'm done, I'm just going to go ahead and take this. See, this is what it looks like on the inside. I'm going to take this part right here. I'm going to close the lid just like this after I've wiped it down, which I'm not doing for the video, until it snaps. And then I push it back upwards until it clicks into place. You see what happened? I'll show you again. So it's open like this. Let me zoom out. And close this. Snap it into place. Push it upwards just like that until it clicks. And it's ready to go again. And I can go ahead and attach whatever attachment that I need back to it. Simply go like that. And it's good to go, good to vacuum again. All right, that's how you empty the bin on the Dyson Cyclone V10 Animal. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.